Hello lovely people, wagwan. Hi, my name is Karen and welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how I do my DIY body shimmer oil. I do this every summer. It's really quick, it's real simple, it's very cheap. I'm going to show you how to make a body shimmer oil using stuff that you have right in your household. The first thing you're going to need is a bronzer, but a bronzer with a shimmer in it. I'm sure if you wear makeup, or even if you don't wear makeup, a lot of people have bronzers right in their home. And this one is from Black Radiance, and it has a nice little shimmer to it. And I haven't used it in about 2 years, so I said let me go ahead and use it for my body shimmer oil spray. Then I have my Clinique Chubby Stick. This is a highlighter, and I haven't used this as well in about 2 years. So I said let me go ahead and use this in my body shimmer oil stick as well. Focused Clinique Chubby Stick Sculpting Highlight, #1 Hefty Highlight. And then of course you just need your baby oil, and the baby oil you can get at any dollar store. You can get it at the Dollar Tree. This is actually a brand name baby oil, but I took the brand name off. But I had this in my house because I actually used this on my son still, so that's why it's almost finished as well. I'm gonna be putting the body shimmer oil in this little spray bottle right here. I actually prefer it in the spray bottle because the baby oil is a little runny, so when you put it in the spray bottle it actually sprays evenly across where you need it to spray. So that's why I prefer it in the spray bottle. If you want, you can use aloe vera and your bronzer with a shimmer in it instead, but this is the cheapest, quickest, and easiest way. There's actually another way that I do make my body shimmers, but it's a little bit more complicated, so I'm just showing you the quickest and easiest way to do it, and cheapest way as well. Now, if you want, let's say you don't have a bronzer with the shimmer on hand, you can actually, let me open it up. It's like a little shimmer, that's what you want, a bronzer with a shimmer. But let's say you don't have that, you can go online. I believe you could go on Amazon and get the shimmer powders and use that instead. But I'm trying not to spend any money, so I'm using what I have in my house to make my summer body shimmer oil spray. Alright, so I'm just gonna scoop out about half of this. I think that's all I'm gonna need. So you could just get a spoon and like kind of like dig it up. I have the plate under there so it could be mess free, but yeah, you're just gonna dig up about half of this. And you can scrape it right into the plate too. Scrape that bad boy right into the plate. Yeah, I think about half of this is gonna be good. And I'm actually gonna use the back of my highlighter and kind of mash it in. Alright, and I would say this is about a teaspoon. Alright, so first what you're gonna do, put that aside over here. You're gonna get your little spray bottle, and this spray bottle I picked up from the beauty supply store. I got like 2 for $1, 2 for $1.50, something like that. It's really cheap. You're gonna pour about, so you're gonna take your baby oil. And you're gonna pour about half into there. Oh, look at me making the mess. Alright, so let me just rub up my hands. So you're gonna pour about this much for now, and then you're gonna go ahead and scoop your powder right in here. Alright, and I don't have one of those, you know, those little that you put in to put the powder in. I don't have one of those. So what I've been doing is using the spoon and kind of pushing it into the straw. And then when it fills it up, I'm gonna put it into the into my spray bottle. This part is takes a little bit of time, but it's worth it. It'll save you from cleaning up a really big mess afterwards. Alright, so I think that's good enough for now. So we're just gonna go ahead and put that right into the bottle. I'm actually gonna blow it into the bottle. Alright, I blowed it right into the bottle, and when I blew it into the bottle, it actually looks really pretty already. Yeah, so now I'm gonna fill up the rest of my bottle with the baby oil, and then I'll see if I want more. I'm gonna fill it up to about here, and then if I need more, then I'll add the rest of the powder in there, or I'll just use the powder to make another one. Isn't that pretty? I think that's good enough. Let me spray it on my hand and then I'll be able to tell you. Ooh. Actually, I'm gonna add a little bit more powder and then I think that should be good. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, just look how pretty. Look how pretty this is. So pretty. And I'm gonna go outside. I'm gonna spray it on my skin so you can see how it looks. And I also went ahead and I added a little bit of the highlight to give it a little more shimmer. All I did was like literally use the spoon and just cut a piece off. There was no mess or anything. And I ended up scraping out the rest of the bronzer from the plate right into it. That was a little messy, but I had the napkins around it, so that's why hair is so clean. Yeah, and then this is what I got. Like I said, it's so pretty, and it's so pretty on the skin. Oh my gosh. And like I said, make sure you use a bronzer with a shimmer in it, because I remember making it once without a shimmer and my skin glowed, but it didn't have like that shimmer. You know, you need the glow and the shimmer, and that way you just look exceptional outside in the sun. Oh my goodness, just look how pretty. Let me zoom in for y'all. Let me zoom on in so you can see how pretty this is. So pretty. Look at that. Look at the glow, look at the shimmers. So pretty. So I'm going to show you how it looks on my skin in the sun so you can see just how pretty it is. Now when I put it on, it's going to be a little runny because you know with baby oil it's not as thick. But as I stated before, if you don't want to use baby oil, you can actually use aloe vera gel and that'll make it a little thicker. The only thing with the aloe vera gel is that it doesn't give the glow like the baby oil does, so that's why I prefer baby oil, because baby oil gives you that natural glow, whereas with aloe vera gel it'll dry on the skin, it'll give you the shimmer, but it won't necessarily give you that glow. So that's why I opted for baby oil, and baby oil is a lot cheaper. Believe it or not, this will last me the whole entire summer, because it's not like I use it every day, you know.